warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Do you know what's our today's topic?
Yes, sir.
Homophones. A very interesting topic in English grammar called homophones. What are these homophones? Let's think over this. There is a set of words in English language that sound the same but mean and spell differently. We call these words as homophones. Today I'll teach you by the words of Almighty Allah how to use these words in meaningful sentence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let me give you a few examples in the beginning so that you can very smoothly understand the topic. You can come back on it very quickly. You just read these two words.
Accept.
These two words almost sound the same,
Yes, sir.
but when we closely examine these two words, we find their spellings are quite different.
Yes, sir.
Not only spellings, but there is a difference in meaning also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That will be evident when we use these two words in sentence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This accept in Urdu means Kubul karna. Kubul.
Karna.
This accept means ma siwa. Ma
Siwai.
या बगैर इसके. बगैर.
Escape.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see how we can use them in sentence.
Sentences.
He did not accept my gift. He did not accept my gift. What does that mean?
उसने मेरा तोहफा कबूल नहीं किया.
So nice. Really, I'm impressed by you. Masiva. There is no God. There is
No God.
but Allah. Or except
Allah.
there is no God except Allah.
Allah.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this except implies
कबूल करना.
to agree.
Yes, sir.
This except
हाँ, सिवाय या बगैर उसके.
nobody is here except me. What does that mean?
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है मेरे बगैर.
Little bit loud.
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है मेरे बगैर.
I can speak almost every language except Arabic.
अरबिक के बगैर मैं हर कोई जुबान बोल सकता हूँ.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these two words are homophones. Why do we call them homophones?
Sound the same but meaning and
The
spelling
reason for
differently.
calling these words as homophones is their similarity in sound,
Sound.
but difference is due to
Meaning and spelling.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have written here 4 words. You just try to pronounce these words first correctly.
Here.
So one thing is happening.
Yes, sir. Sound is same.
Sound is the same,
Yes, sir.
but
Meaning and spelling
meanings and spellings are quite different.
Yes, sir.
That's what makes us call these words as homophones. Good. This here implies yaha.
Yes,
This
yeah.
here implies.
यहाँ.
Can you make any sentence using this word?
Yes, sir.
Who can? Please stand.
He is at here.
Is at her. No, there is a serious mistake in this sentence. You are not supposed to use any preposition here. Please sit down.
I'm here.
We all are here. Nice. Okay? When I was talking to you, he was present here. Could you please translate this English sentence into very plain, down to earth Urdu language?
जब मैं उससे बात कर रहा था
When I was talking to you, जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था, he was present here. वो यहाँ मौजूद
था.
Your notebook is lying here.
आपकी किताब यहाँ पर है. पढ़ी.
Nobody is here this time.
कोई भी यहाँ पर नहीं है.
Okay? Now, this here means
बाल.
your hair is shiny.
आपके बाल बहुत
Your hair is soft, silky and shiny.
आपके बाल बहुत.
She has long hair
उसके लंबे बाल हैं.
and short hair.
मेरे छोटे बाल
She
हैं.
has curly hair.
उसके बाल curly hairs हैं.
This is how you can use it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we have one more word here, H-A-R-E. How will you pronounce this word? Tell me. Means?
सुनना.
No. You might have heard this word before. It implies khargosh. H-A-R-E here. Khargosh. I saw a hare in this bush. I saw a hare in this bush. Means?
मैंने एक खरगोश देखा इस गुफा में.
मैंने इस झाड़ी में एक खरगोश को देखा. उसका मतलब झाड़ी. H-E-I-R here. Here means
झाड़ी.
Wise. He has no legal hair. He has
No legal hair.
hair. Means उसका कोई कानूनी वाइस
नहीं है.
H-E-A-R here. Here means Sunnah. This word is used as a homophone. H-E-A-R. Here means Sunnah. If we try to find out the word class of this word, it's verb. It's
verb.
but irregular.
Yes, sir.
It is second form and third form. Cannot be made by adding e.
Reading.
It is here, heard, heard. Here, heard. I heard this news very early in the morning.
मैंने ये न्यूज़.
Let me write down this. I heard this news very early in the morning. Please translate the sentence into Urdu. I heard this news very early in the morning. मैंने ये खबर सुबह सवेरे सुनी. ठीक है? Please speak loudly. I am unable to hear you.
मेहरबानी करके जोर से बोलिए क्योंकि मैं आपको सुनने से.
Did you hear any sound?
क्या आप कोई आवाज सुन रहे हो?
It depends upon your own skill. How to use this? You can use it in the past simple, past continuous, present continuous, present continuous, any tense form, tense form, and in any sentence. Positive, negative, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory, WH questions, AL questions, yes or no type questions. Depends upon the ability of comprehension of grammar. Okay? Here means Khargosh. Here means what? Here means similar. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I think it's enough for the day.
Yes,
The
sir.
rest of the job will be done tomorrow by the grace of Almighty Allah. Till then, have a good time. Bye.